What is the hardest part about day trading? Well, I'm going to tell you that, and I'm also going to give you some tips in today's video on how to overcome those obstacles with your day trading. So, the hardest part about day trading is the mental strength and just the capacity of energy that your brain is going to need to produce to trade. It seems easy, right? Like you look at the charts, you see patterns, you press buy, you press sell, but there's so much brain power that goes into this. First, you got to know what you're doing, right? You got to analyze the market, look at multiple, if you're looking at the dollar or different markets or different stocks, you got to see what the market is doing, get some reference points, and start to analyze whatever you're going to trade. Now, the whole time your brain's thinking, it's putting it all together. Now you finally are kind of have your bias, you have your game plan, and you're in the chart on getting ready to trade, right? Well, this is even harder now because your anxiety and you're just so anxious to get into a trade now because you want to make money and you truly believe right now at this moment that if you jump in the market, you'll make money and that's the only way to make money. But what if you jump in the market and lose? Now you have less money than what you had if you were just waiting, right? So now you're constantly fighting your patience and trying to just wait for your edge to play out and not get in any sooner. And definitely don't hesitate and get in any later. And that's not it. Now that you're actually in a trade, let's say you followed all your rules, now you need to still stick to the rules and let your edge, your plan, your trade develop without you pulling profits too early. Maybe you trail your stop too aggressive. That's not part of your plan. You scale out too much, or you just get anxious and just you freak out and you close the trade, right? Like you're just so emotional. You're not thinking correctly. You're letting emotions sway. And then all of a sudden you close out in the red because you think you just don't want to lose any more money, right? Only for that trade to bounce back and maybe you would have made money, right? If not, who cares? But the fact that you let your emotions win is what makes you a failing trader. And that is the hardest part about trading. And you're going to constantly battle your mind. You're going to want to, you just be frustrated with yourself, right? Like, you shouldn't have done that, but you did it anyways because in the moment, your emotions and anxiety was so high, you let that control you versus what you know to be your edge in the market and how you're going to make money. So, how to overcome this? Well, you need to have confidence and trust in your trading system. And for me, I built this indicator behind me that basically sums up my system and helps me visualize the system and really confirm, are we going to be in a trade or not? So this indicator plus our entire course, you're able to get at the link down below. But what this is helping me visualize when I should be looking for buys, when I should be careful, and when I should be looking for sells, right? Helps me kind of visualize the trends of the market, and it does more than just what you see here. It's calculating some higher time frame numbers as well as where it is priced to VWAP. So all that comes in together, and I like to reference the midnight time, New York time open of the market, as well as that 15-minute opening range where this green and red line is. So this system and this indicator that I built helped me fight my emotions because I could look at it and be like, well, it's not green, so why am I looking for buys, right? Or it's not red, why am I looking for sales? I need to wait for it to turn red. Then we could worry about sales. And then it helps me with losing, right? I know this edge plays out, so if I lose, it's part of the edge, right? Like there's going to be losses, and I know the wins are going to outweigh the losses, so I just need to accept it. I can't win every time, but next time that setup forms, I need to take it and not feel like I already lost today. I don't want to lose more, but that could be the big winning trade that takes that loss away and gets you into that next realm of profit, right? So you just need to stick to your edge. You need to play it out, and you need to calm yourself down when you start to feel that anxiety, that energy build up when you're in the market and the candles are ticking around, right? Trust your edge. Remind yourself, hey, you're being emotional right now. This is how you lose. This is how you lost in the past. This is how most traders are losing because they listen to their emotions. And right now, you are aware of that and you're going to stop that. And you're going to go back to your rules. You're going to re-look at the market. Whatever you're going to do, re-ground yourself and be like, okay, this is the game plan. This is what I'm waiting for. Let's just be patient and wait till then, right? So it's a hard game, really hard game. If you're going to get into day trading, if you're brand new, we have tons of free videos on our channel. Or if you're more on the advanced side, get access to this indicator and our full strategy course, which we also talk about planning for your future, having your day trading profits grow passive in the background and build your financial snowball to keep growing, how to save and all that stuff. So link down below if you want to get access to that. Depending on when you're watching this, if you're watching this when the video just came out, we're still running that Black Friday sale. If you're watching this at a different time, well, the price is what it is. But if you're early, Black Friday pricing, cheapest it will ever be, access down below. So hopefully this has helped you out and kind of helped you know that you're not alone. Everyone goes through this, and it's something you're going to have to work on if you want to become a great trader. So subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Click that thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.